Don't mind the beeping. I literally just took my seatbelt off. I gotta go to the store real quick. But so as soon as he saw me, he ran over to me and grabbed me and literally would not let go. So their teachers were like, well, you can come on stage with him if you want, which I was fine with. So we went up on stage and I only got a second video clip of us because he was so like shy. And I was the same as a child. I absolutely hated attention on me, so I can completely see how he felt. But I gotta return this, and I bought this on Klarna. We're using the app called Klarna directly from Target, so I don't know how it works. I technically have like proof of purchase, I guess, because oh, where's my phone? Because it shows like on the app. I'm gonna pull it up real quick. It shows on the app that I purchased this, but it's the wrong one, and I don't know how this works. I'd like it to go back on my card, but if store credit is the only option, I'll take that too, because I gotta get a few things. I have a little list here, but let me see. So it looks like I should just be able to select the order that like I claimed a return. This is what I found yesterday. Okay, so we're gonna learn this together if you've never done this either. I don't recommend Klarna if you're not gonna be on top of payments. I don't think it does good for your credit, but it will affect your credit if you miss payments. I'm not missing payments, and it's really helpful for me right now to do installments of payment. But if you're like trying to build up credit, that's not what Klarna is for. But anyways, I like charged back. I said I requested a return, so I go to return, view return details, and then it's gonna pop this up, return my goods, and it gives me a date to return by, and then it says so save my in-store turn receipt. So I need that receipt to put on here. I'm just gonna go inside and talk to them. I'm sure they've done this before because I'm absolutely clueless, and then I'll just let you guys know how easy or difficult or like what they said. Okay, so 2 managers later, we were able to figure it out. It was confusing, but I was given a receipt to show. Like, I have to put it in the Klarna app, I think, still. Porcupines. I also found this. Little foam thing and little clay thing, one for each of the kids. I also need to get a lava lamp. I'm in a different Target than I normally am, so everything's a little different. Oh, where's the lava lamps? Bad they don't. Oh, sugar. I have 2 kind right now, and neither of them are gonna do orange or pink. Okay. Well, next time I'm at the other Target, I guess I'll look. So what else did I need? Apple juice on the Thursday. Oh, little tiny gumball machine. I used to have one of those as a kid, and honestly, I really loved it. I'm going to find something quick for lunch, but some wet wipes, cake mix, all of this, and no diapers. Don't mind the bathrobe. I completely gave up hope of getting ready today. I was just trying so hard to prepare for the holidays today and getting the deliveries done, and it just didn't work. I got busy this morning. I was just thrown off this morning because of Hunter's a concert and everything, so I knew today was gonna kind of be all over the place, but that's why I purposely worked a little extra yesterday to compensate for today. I have class tomorrow night and I have class tomorrow night and a webinar Sunday night, so Saturday and Sunday nights I can't really go out, bro. I think I'm gonna do some extra deliveries on Monday and on Tuesday night. The holidays just kill us every year. I'm sure a lot of you feel that. I'm just making Hunter a quick dinner because I'm gonna save what I had in mind tomorrow. I'm gonna do like a pulled pork mac and cheese, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow when everybody is home for dinner. Josh brought home something from work to eat. I ate earlier, and Ella ate at the after school club. So hi baby, the only one eating is Hunter. Hi baby.
Hi.
I'm making your lunch. Here. Let me get him situated real quick. Ella is in the other room right now helping to set up the Christmas tree. I told him I'd go over in a minute. I just wanted to get him situated. I also grabbed a pack of these, which normally I don't buy these. I don't usually buy, hold on. The little cup that he was using when I went to Target today, I found, and these were like sold in a 6-pack. It's wet, that's why it looks like that. And then these covers were actually sold separately for like $2 or $3, but they just go on like that, and it has a little sipping hole. And I just gave him like a little bendy straw for him, but I like these for Ella too. If we go in the car, she has just a little thing with a lid. Normally I buy these individually and I'll just pick them up every week that I'm there. But I came across this pack today that I think he's really gonna like. But it's just a box of these little pouches he gets in the morning, but they're a yogurt, fruit and yogurt. So it's like a strawberry banana, a peaches and cream, and a berry. So there's 3 different flavors in here. I think you'll really end up enjoying. I got our 2023 nutcrackers, so it doesn't necessarily have to like pertain to my kids, I guess, because like all my nutcrackers are just different. We have fairies, we have a teacher, we have a lumberjack. Like none of my kids are a lumberjack, you know? So this year we got the nurse and we got an astronaut. 2 ones I didn't have, so I'm gonna write the dates on the bottom so I don't forget. Hunters 2022. And Ella's I'm gonna write on the tag just because the bottom is blue, so it'll be hard to see. 2022. What are you doing, baby? So I definitely don't have a spot here. I don't know. I couldn't talk over there because Cocomelon in the background. I'm probably gonna get demonetized anyway because you can still kind of hear it, but I tried. And lastly, I actually found these little candles, and they're kind of Christmassy, but I like them because I thought I could keep them out all year round. So I'm gonna replace the candles that.
Mommy.
What, honey? Juice? You have a juice. Hi, baby. You want to come up for a second? Did you have fun at your Christmas concert today? We got nervous. You have fluff all over your face. We got nervous today, but that's okay. That's okay.
Wow.
No. So these are like, they kind of look like sweaters. I thought they were pretty. Your hands are all sticky. You need a bath, my dear. He's gonna have a bath right after his dinner.
I know.
And then after dinner, we're gonna help go put up the Christmas tree. Your tree's going up tonight. Yes. Oh my goodness, you're scary, Hunter Dinosaur.
Can you deliver me to Santa?
Here, I'll deliver you. I'm a delivery driver. Get in.
Okay.
Josh, do you have the tape? Do you have the tape?
Yep.
Good.
No, goodbye.
Too bad you forgot something.
Yep.
Hi.
I need my last.
Oh, I ordered the wrong one.
okay.
Get that.
Okay,
now.
trip. See you later. Okay, get her in there.
All right.
Grab the tape.
Okay.
What?
What?
What about Josh?
I don't want to go in there.
I'm gonna edit some videos real quick while I give him a bath. But quick side note, I just purchased this like maybe a week or two ago. It smells so good. It's the vanilla and oat scent from Johnson & Johnson. I don't know, or Johnson's new formula. It smells so good. Just when I thought I couldn't look any worse than I did earlier, now we're in a bonnet situation. Okay, I curled my hair for tomorrow, okay? I didn't get ready today. I really need to get ready tomorrow. I want to feel good. Anyway, the tree's up. And it does like color change and whatnot. I just like white trees. So tomorrow the pellet stove is on, but the kids and I will put some ornaments on the tree tomorrow. And we have the stockings back here and everything. The stockings will go back on the entertainment center over here. So I have these little stocking holders. And that's it. To be honest, I need, today is just, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. My hair looks crazy. Okay, when I tease my hair in the morning, I tease it like crazy and then I hairspray it. And I let it set. It's setting right now. The hairspray is drying. Once the hairspray dries, then I brush it all out. I do have to fix my bang pieces as well, so I have to pull out my hair straightener.